Standard 9, Subject Science and Technology. Lesson number 1, Laws of Motion. Now we are going to learn motion and rest. Now see the definition of the motion. A body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surrounding. For example, the flight of a bird and leaves flying through air. And when the body at the rest, it means it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding. It indicates absence of motion or called body is in a resting condition. For example, a stone lying on a hill and a stationary train. Now let us see relative concept of motion. Think about it. You are traveling in a bus. Is the person sitting next to you in motion? And what do you take into the consideration to decide if an object is moving or not? No, the person next to me is not in a motion. Motion is a relative concept. Hence, if an object is moving or not is decided on the basis of whether it changes its position with respect to its surrounding or not. When an object changes its position with respect to its surrounding, it is said to be in a motion. Now let us see about the displacement and distance. Distance is the length of actual path traveled by an object in motion while going from one point to another, whereas displacement is the minimum distance between starting and finishing point. In the given diagram, blue arrow indicate the displacement from initial point to the final point, and red dotted line indicate the distance from initial point to final point. Now let us see here speed and velocity. The distance traveled in one direction by an object in unit time is called its velocity. Here unit time can be 1 second, maybe 1 minute or 1 hour. If large units are used, 1 year can also be used as a unit of time. The displacement that occur in unit time is called velocity. And you know, velocity equals to displacement upon time and speed equals to total distance travel upon time taken. Now students, see here some points of speed and velocity. The unit of the speed and velocity are the same. In the SI system, the unit is meter per second, while in the CGS system, it is centimeter per second. Speed is related to the distance, while velocity is related to the displacement. If the motion is along a straight line, the values of speed and velocity are the same. Otherwise, they can be different. Velocity is the displacement that occur in unit time. Now, students, see here difference between distance and displacement. Distance is the actual path followed by a body between the point in which it moves, while displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and final points of movement. Distance travel is always positive. Displacement may be positive, negative or zero. Distance has only magnitude and displacement has magnitudes as well as direction. Distance is always greater than or equal to the displacement, while displacement is always less than or equal to the distance traveled. Now see differentiation between speed and velocity. Speed is the distance traveled by a body in unit time, while velocity is the distance traveled by the body in a given direction in unit time. And speed is a scalar quantity, while velocity is a vector quantity. Speed is always positive or zero but never negative. Velocity may be positive, zero or negative. Thank you.